have to kill my last one. Yo, Mufasa, king of the jungle. Look, bitch. If you ever got a fucking problem with me, come and solve it. Got the solvers if you wanna see it. I got my guns, 2 guns, it's on my side. My right and my left, I call it arm guns. It's a ride or die shit. I got a ride or die chick. She down for my shit, she know she down for the dick. She do whatever, she do whatever I have to. I don't give a fuck, she do my job for me, that's at you. Bless you, baby girl, you know your shit stays true. My heart is so big, my devil took my soul. I signed off the contract for my kids just to go to heaven. My kids, my 3 kids, my 2 big mamas going to heaven. I don't give a fuck about a snitch nigga. I gon' fuck their bitches cause they know they snickin'. Snookies, nah snooky. That New York shit, I don't fuck around like that. Got me on situation shit. I gon' battle off on my mind is so stupid all the time. Why? I'm picking up all lessons when I rhyme. Why? You take out your notepad and you write it down cause my lessons gonna make you learn. I'm the teacher of discussion, I'm the teacher of the hour. Listen to my song, then you go shower. I shower with your bitch, my bad, it's for 1 hour. It took me 1 hour, take her bra off, now we got it. Got him, coach, and I got him. Put me in, I'm ready for this game. Put me in on that line tackle, coming in and I sack it, man. I'ma fuck around, got touchdown, all shit, that Aaron Rodgers. Look around that Packers shit, Green Bay Packers, the word of the hour. Oh my God, oh. Look at these niggas, don't talk to me. Oh my God, oh. These niggas gon' hit it, I'm dropping me. Oh my God, why? My nigga Steve, he with it, man. He gon' lick these niggas, put them up in the sky. I got so many bullets, put them up their faces. Put them up like makeup, wake up in the makers. Oh my God, I'm in mazes. I'm just kinda struggling, I'm kinda fucking so high. I'm gonna come down now, I'm learning. Look at my Bible studies so wrong. I read a Curious George book, that Bible wasn't on. Oh shit, this not the Bible, I think I'm going on. Oh my God, I think I'm going crazy. 2 infos in my head, I'm gone. I'm both 2 personalities, split personalities. I'm looking around the globe like, oh my God, I crush them out to be. I'm on a different planet, wait, I'm on a different planet. I got chimpanzees around me, now they call it the 8th planet. Planet of the Ape, that movie so scary. Looking up on the movie stars, man, that's so scary. Oh my God, did he lie? Was that the truth? Or shit, just fiction? I believed in everything that I see on TV, man, that's just not fiction. My king and queen,